And I'm Charlie.
And we are the Adventure Closet. Last time we had you guys on here, we were visiting some ghost towns, doing some rock hounding, and it was starting to get late and we had to head off somewhere. And where are we going now?
Baker Hot Springs?
Baker Hot Springs, and it is that way, 7 miles.
Hi, I'm Liz, and my other half is Charlie, and we are exceptionally frugal. That's why we're traveling the U.S. in our minivan Opal, paving the way for others to see that traveling on a budget can be quite fun. We love the outdoors, and we'll try to avoid cities, do lots of hiking, and have a strange obsession with rocks. So hop in the van, and let's see what kind of adventure we can find.
We are about to pass the Intermountain Power Plant, and the stack on it is like 710 feet tall. 701 feet tall, and it took over $4 billion to build this plant. It's huge.
And those boilers are 301 feet tall.
Wow. How's it feel?
Lukewarm.
Okay.
That one's a little bit hotter. This one's decent.
Okay. I'll feel this one. Oh, that's pretty warm.
Well, let me see. I'll tell you.
Okay.
The other one's the hottest one.
Oh, really? Yeah. Warm enough for me. So the Baker Hot Springs here in Utah were created when a volcano went off back that way, the Fumarole Butte, and there's actual still active magma underneath the surface here that's heating this spring, and they've created these pools, which is all of what is left of a resort that was actually here at one time. So it's completely free to come here. There's a cold spring and a hot spring, and they control the temperature with the cold spring. The hot spring, right at the source, comes out at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's pretty hot.
You can see it steaming.
Oh yeah, you can see it steaming. Ooh, it's muddy here. I'm gonna cross the stream here. How's that feel?
That's pretty hot.
There's a caution sign.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at all that steam. Okay. Ready to hop in. It's windy and cold out, and I'm so excited to get in this water. Oh yes.
Whew. This is
Wow.
nice.
Oh.
And we parked right there. All right. We're just gonna enjoy now.
Bye now.
Bye now.
So we did read on a report that there could be leeches in here.
Not cool.
Not cool, but I don't care. It's a hot bath that's free. So I wanted to do a really good explanation of this hot springs here. And what we're looking over there is Fumarole Butte, which is a shield volcano, which is kind of a broad, slightly rounded volcano. It doesn't even look like the volcano that you would kind of picture a volcano looking like. All that rock there is basaltic andesite. And I wanted to explain more the mechanics of this. So there's a hot spring over that way. The source of the spring is 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot. So you would think, gosh, these would be boiling, but they're not, because they're kind of ingeniously plumbed here. So there's a cold water spring this way, and this pipe here is bringing from the cold water over there, it's bringing it into this pool, and they've clogged it with these nasty looking towels. You can't be a germaphobe if you're gonna use these, and yeah. But so when you unplug this, you're letting in the cold water, which I don't want to do right now.
The towels are mostly nasty because of the minerals in the water.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of sulfur and different minerals in hot springs. So over here is the hot water plumbing. So all the water coming down this trough here, is coming from the hot water spring. And so you lift the towel, and then you're letting in this 185 degree Fahrenheit water. But by now it's less than that because it's not directly at the source. But you can kind of regulate the temperature in here, and that's really cool. And what's heating the hot water underground is there's still molten lava from the Fumarole Butte that erupted 6 million years ago. And that's what's heating this, so pretty nifty, eh? Well, we are headed into town, probably Delta, Utah, I think is the nearest town. And we're probably gonna head back to the hot springs, but we wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update because we've been socializing. I know, ew, right? We met the, what?
Keep going.
Okay. We met the nicest people, and you know, my mom told me, she said, talk to all the people, and so
my mom told me not to talk to strangers.
Well, my mom told me to talk to strangers.
Oh, okay.
And we happened. So last night we got in the hot springs, and there was this couple there that had been camping next to us the whole time. We were just being antisocial, and
we were being our normal antisocial selves.
And we were, you know, small talk, and we were talking about how when it rains here, everything gets so muddy, and you can slip in your car and stuff, and it's kind of yucky. And they were saying, well, we were just out off Garnet Hill coming down, and like both mine and Charlie's ears perked up garnet, and
I said, Garnet Hill, huh? What were you doing out there, looking for garnets? And they said, yeah.
And then all of a sudden, Wendy, the gal, she like swam. She was in the pool next to us. She swam up closer, and she's like, "Hi, my name is Wendy, and I am a rockhound." And like instantly, like, yeah, we definitely hit it off with those people. They are the nicest people we've met. And we did a rock trade, show and tell this morning around their campfire, and.
Yeah.
It was great, such a good time, and yeah, but just wanted to fill you guys in. Also, there's leeches in the hot springs, big ones.
Fill up in Delta, Utah, $3.58 a gallon, $49.54. It's like I'm wearing sunglasses, glasses. So we were camping right back there, and we were tipped off by our friends, our new friends that we found, that there is azurite and malachite just right here from where we were camping, like within walking distance. So on our way back from the store, we stopped and decided to look around. And I'll show you a few of the pieces that are still stuck in the ground. Most of that has malachite and some azurite in it. that I've found in just maybe 10 minutes tops. But there's pieces like this. And there's little tiny pieces here. Little piece here. A little piece there. And it just rained on us recently. So this is all fresh pickings, which is cool. There's a piece here. Another piece here. Yeah, there's like little chunks of it too. Cool stuff. But just thought I'd share that with you because we're grabbing a few pieces before we head back to the hot springs. There's what I got so far. Quite a bit. And I walked by this thing twice, didn't see it. But score. It's a good sized crowbar for digging through rocks. Nice. Blends in really well with the rocks, so I'm sure somebody accidentally put it down and just couldn't find it again. Or got so excited they left it here. But cool. Now we add that to the rocks, the rockhounding gear. Some nice stuff in here. And a sagebrush is poking me in the butt. That is a nice looking piece right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Just picked this piece up because it was shimmering, and look at that. Like rainbows in it. That's cool. That's going in the pocket, not the bucket. Oh, there's another piece right here. Wow.
Stuff is literally everywhere out here. That's a nice mix of azurite and malachite. See if we can get in a little closer. Oh my goodness. Ain't that beautiful? Gosh, this stuff is gorgeous. The polishes up are really nice too. Lots of slag out here too. Apparently there was a nearby operation and they just kind of dumped their ore out this way, so pretty cool. Oh, what? We got a little piece of agate here. Weird. That's a funky one. All kinds of stuff going on in there. Oh yeah. That's a nice piece.
Yeah.
Here, we'll turn back to where that blue is. Oh, pretty. So beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Would you looky there? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so fun. this is somebody's property. We were speculating because it looked like there was a landing strip in there and there's a bunch of signs in there that it could have been an airport at one time. And then another thing we're wondering about too is Baker Hot Springs is an abandoned hot spring. It used to be a resort, but you can't find any pictures of what the resort looked like when it was functioning or even still standing. So it'd be cool to find out more information. Headed back to Opal.